everyone, so bit of a different setup slash style of video. I'm going to be vlogging today, which I never ever do, and it's going to be a cleaning, organising my room for autumn time. Now, I don't know if that sounds really interesting or it sounds very boring. Just sort of get my room together and make it Halloween themed because, you know, it's October now. I love Halloween and I just want to get that sort of vibe in my room. Hopefully this video will like motivate you to sort out your room. Also, I never usually wear a dark lip and it feels really weird. I don't know if I ever suit these sort of colours because usually I'm like a gloss kind of girl, or I'll wear nothing on my lips. Without further ado, let's get started into this cleaning, organising my room for autumn. This is my outfit of the day. It's the most weirdest outfit going, I think. It's not very flattering at all, as you can probably see. So this one-shouldered knitted jumper is from Misguided. These joggers are new. They're the Playboy Misguided joggers. This is my outfit. It's really like chill and comfy. Also, my earrings are from ASOS, for anyone wondering. One thing which I do need to do is wash my makeup brushes because I've been putting it off for so long now. They just need to be cleaned. So that is something I'm gonna do. I'm back from cleaning my makeup brushes. I've just cleaned the ones I've been using most recently and the ones that just got so dirty. That's kind of disgusting. As you can see, I haven't made my bed this morning because I thought I'd just leave it before I transform this section of my room. I'm not going to change the bedding because I literally put this on yesterday and I quite like it, so I'm going to keep that. But what I am going to change is my pillow rearrangement, and also I've got a new blanket slash throw, whichever one you want to call it, from Primark. Wasn't too sure how to arrange the blanket, so I've gone for the more casual vibe where it looks kind of like, you know, it's just been thrown on there, which is more of a chill vibe, I think. Them two are from Dunelm, and then this one is from Primark. It's actually a new pillow. It's the softest thing ever. And then this one is from New Look. I've got my duster. I'm now going to clean all along here and my windowsill. I really need to get a new bedside table. This one is just so chipped and stained, as you can probably see. Also going to get a candle because I don't know if you can see here, but I bought these two new candles from Primark and I'm thinking about popping this one on my bedside table. Pink peppercorn, and it's, I don't know, it's quite autumnal. Let's take this off. Let's smell it. It smells really good. So gonna probably light that later. So now it's time to dust my mirror because it always gets quite dirty, so gonna do that. My mirror is nice and clean, looks great. Now I feel like we're just going from like each stage of my room and just cleaning it, so now we're onto my desk. I do need to like take everything off my desk and dust everything. Okay, that's not gonna work. Here. This is just a bit risky. Oh my god. Oh no. I've dusted my desk and this shelf here. I still need to do that on there. I'm just gonna clean my mirror because it always gets so dirty. Anyone can relate because there's like fingerprints all over it, I swear. It just hit my foot. I think I'm gonna pop this in the corner where it was. I quite liked it there. Well, you can't actually see it, can you? I've then got my little makeup storage holder from Amazon. I bought this from Primark the other week and I don't know what to use it for. Actually, I can put my necklaces in it. Okay, so I'm not actually sure what you're supposed to use this for, but it's now going to be my jewellery holder because I've been looking for one of these for ages. And I've got my necklaces here, earrings, and then I've got like this ring holder. I'm going to pop that there. And it also looks so cute. So I'm slowly getting there with my desk, but I've actually got this brand new candle from Primark. It was £2. You probably saw it in my homeware haul. But yeah, I'm just going to take the wrapper off. That was like such an irrelevant thing I just told you guys. Oh my god, this is like ASMR. This smells so good. I can't really describe it, but it's a very autumnal scent. But now I'm going to sort out this shelf because I'm going to get rid of this H because I've had it for so long now and I don't know, it's just a bit old, and I'm probably going to pop this plant away because it's very summery. Now it's time to sort out this section. This is just underneath my desk and I don't know, it's just gotten so messy and I've just thrown stuff under here. If you're wondering what's inside this box here, I basically keep all of the letters and things that you guys give me at like events and stuff. Keep it all safe and together, and it's just so nice to look through and just read. And yeah, honestly, there's some lovely letters in here and drawings and pictures. Now it's time to sort out my makeup because, as you can probably see, my makeup drawer is getting so full and some of the stuff I don't actually need and I won't be using, and I sort of want to pass it on to my mum. And also I'm going to sort out my palette drawer because, as you can see, it's getting so overflowed with more and more palettes that I keep collecting. So update, I've sorted out my palette drawer. As you can see, it's so much more organised and I can just see everything so much more clearer. The next drawer is obviously my main makeup drawer. It still might look quite full and messy, but I've like organised it into different sections. So I'm going to be getting rid of this flower plant here because I've literally had it for years and it's just getting a bit old now, so I'm gonna get rid of that. So we've got this plant here which is from IKEA, my Polaroid camera, my Yankee candle in this scent, clean cotton. It's like so fresh and nice. And then we've got my travel makeup bag which just sits up there. I'm now going to sort out my clothes section. To be honest, it's not too bad. I have updated this section of my clothing rail, so we've got some more autumnal winter coats like leather jacket, blazers, denim jacket, this fluffy coat from Skydid, blazers, another coat. This section is pretty good, but it's this part which I need to sort out, and I just need to fold up loads of clothes and put clothes away. I've got a few Halloween decorations which I'm going to pop on my desk somewhere, so I'm thinking this could go, maybe lean it against there. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Okay, I really like that. Then I've got these two pumpkins, so I'm probably going to put one here. This one, maybe I'll put it on this shelf. Then I've got these two mini sparkly pumpkins, so I'm going to put one on my bedside table like that. I mean, that looks good, kind of. I'm now going to end this video because I've got nothing else planned. I think I've pretty much done everything I wanted to do. I've dusted pretty much my whole room. I'm very, very happy with what I've done today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see new videos from me. I think that's all I have to say. I hope you guys have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! That was a really weird bye.